Too cold. Okay, come now. You're done. Yeah, you're done. Yes. Oh, see. Get the. Okay, can you cover your sister, Jade? Can you cover with a towel? Do you need a towel, Jelana? Hi, Shalane. I know you guys have tons of towel. Are you done now? Okay. Jelana. Jelana, you should go there in the boat. Go in the boat. Julene, give baby the boat. Yeah, go Jade like that. See, for your to wash your shoes. See like that. Well, you go upstairs and wash your feet. There you go. Yeah, you can put the yeah the whole thing. Put your feet up. There you go. Good job. There you go. Thank you. Julie, you don't need to prove that one. If you're done, you need to be done. It's okay. It's fine. No. What's that? Yeah. That is here, Jelana. Yeah. Jade, there's the board behind you. Where's your boat, Jelana? Is that your floaty? Jelana, is that your big floaty? Go na, Jelana, sakay. Jelana, come on now. You're shimmering. La, come here. Don't. It's okay. Go get the towel here. You're so cold. Come here. I don't wanna. Okay, go see daddy now. Dad.